Today our topic is about the method overloading, that is polymorphism. Okay, what does the polymorphism mean? Now if you have to define a polymorphism or the method overloading, here is a definition you can say. You can just write it down, this definition, in your notebook. The process of defining two or more methods with the same name but different signature in a class is called as method overloading. So this is called as method overloading. Now method overloading is, now suppose if I have to explain you in the program form, the question how you are going to get it is like this. Okay, this is very important topic, one of the very important topic, you get it in the exam, this question. So please understand this, how the program is based on the method overloading. Now here is the three question. If you see the three question that is given here, that is double volume HR, here is R, and double volume LBH. Okay, and the formula is also given. We are trying to find the overloading. So what is the first thing? Design a class to overload a method name as volume. So what should be the class? Now here we are using a class name as what? Public class volume overload. Okay, we are using it as public class volume overload. And then first part, then we have to use the opening parenthesis. Then what is the first method that we have to use? The first method is double volume double R. So double volume double R. Okay, with the R is what? R is the argument that is used for radius. Why? How we got this R? Because if you see it in the formula, if you see this equal to on your right hand side and left hand side, if you remember in the class, if I have taught you, and you can remember that on your right hand side whatever it is written, it is an output variables, and on your left hand side whatever this is an input, and V is a output. Okay, left hand side is a output, right hand side is a input. So what is the input that we have to give so that we can get the output? That is R, because 4 and 3 they and 22 and 7, they are already the values, so we don't know what is the value of R. So here we are giving it as what? R. Okay, and then just next is what? Double vol. We are just defining this, we are just expanding this formula, that is 4.0 divided by 3, then 22 by 7, and mat dot r comma 3. This is how we define it. Okay, how we got this mat dot pow r comma 3? Because we are expanding r cube. Okay, we are expanding the r cube. So and then what we are doing, return the volume. Okay, we have to return this volume, this volume, you have to return this volume. So return volume and then close it. Then again next method is what? Double volume double H double R. So double H double R, opening and closing. Okay, so here the same method how we have reused it, we are just expanding the formula and then return the value. Again the next is what is that? Double volume LBH. So next is length, breadth and height. So double V equals to L into B into H, and then return V and then close it, and then last you close the class. Okay, so you can see we are having 1 2 3 three times the method is repeated, the name of the method is repeated, and your return type is also same, double double double, they are also same. So they are what? Method overloading. Okay, they are called as method overloading. So similarly there are number of programs that is there in your textbook. You can see this kind of questions that is there, and please practice them, because this kind of question will come for your exam. So please practice all of these questions